Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video, and today we're going to be drawing a light bulb. Now this is the kind of light bulb that you might draw to decorate a bullet journal page or for a journal, or you might even just put it in your school diary. I love this design. So we're going to start with the light bulb bit. Now if you're a bit unsure about this, you could pencil it in. Usually I will ink everything direct, but if you get stuck, and particularly if it's going to be a big light bulb, you may want to do a pencil line first. For a little one, it's a little bit more forgiving. So we're going to start with drawing the sort of bumpy bit, the top bit. So we want a little bit of a stem, and then we want to come into this big sort of circular piece. Now you can draw it freehand, or you could draw yourself some pencil lines to work with. You could even trace around something that is sort of circular, but I've just freehanded this one. The next bit we're going to do is the bottom of the light bulb. So we're going to come all the way across here and make a little thing that has sort of curvy ends on it. And we're going to make a couple of those. Actually, let's make 3 here. Now, if you wanted to add a 4th, you might see, if you have a look at a regular light bulb, it's got a little sort of bump on the bottom. So let's do that on the bottom one. So let's come here, little bump on the bottom, and then round for the end. But if you don't do that, if you forget about it, doesn't matter. It's just fine. It's going to look like a light bulb, guaranteed. Okay, so now we need the bits for the inside of the light bulb. And if you have a look at a light bulb, it has these 2 sticks. And it has this sort of filament between it. That's what lights up. And the filament is sort of curly. And this is the good fun bit of creating a light bulb. Once you've got all this other stuff done, now we get to do the fun bit. And the fun bit is these loops. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to start my loops. And as I'm coming along, I'm looking at where I want to end up, because I want to make sure that I'm going to end in the right place. And if you keep an eye on where you're headed to, you'll find that you generally get there. It's just a little trick. So now we've got everything. We want to tell everybody that we've just had a bright idea. It might be our ideas list from our bullet journal, or it might be something that we're thinking of. We might want to inspire ourselves. So I'm drawing these little triangular shapes outside the light bulb, and that really tells us that the light bulb is turning on. It might be a light bulb moment. So there we are. There is our light bulb. I hope that you found it easy to draw. I'm looking forward to seeing what you came up with. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click up there to subscribe and turn on notifications so we can let you know when we release new videos. I hope you've enjoyed this video. My name's Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here on Learn to Draw Today.